This is a room tour of room 431 at the Staybridge Suites, Albuquerque Airport. This is a room right here. This is a 2-bedroom suite. And here's the entry. When you walk in, you have a wood area over here. You have living room. We'll get to that in a second. Two kitchen table seats. They're actually pretty nice. This is real. Over here, you have where a coffee maker would be. The coffee maker's over here. We have this. We have a light over here. Being a Staybridge, full kitchen. 12-cup coffee maker, a vanity where you can hang your keys and stuff. Dishwasher. Glass top cooktop. So this is a renovation. Please set timer before operating. Okay, so you have to turn the timer on first. I don't exactly know how to use it. Okay, on, off, on, off. Okay, that's how you use it. We got some pots down here, silverware. Oop. Oh, we got a bottle opener. Garbage can down here. Some soap. Dishwasher detergent. Full-size microwave, some Pyrex in it. Obviously, the cabinets have not been renovated. However, they're in very good condition. This hotel is an older hotel. It is in very good condition, and it was renovated last year with new furniture. They did a very good job. We have all these amenities in here, toaster, plates, all that stuff. Nice backsplash. They redid the kitchen counters. They're not linoleum anymore. They redid the floors, redid the carpets. So yeah, let's get to it. Here's the living room. Nice new TV. The thermostat's right here. It's, oh shit. Oops, what did I do? Okay. It's really loud, but it works really well. We have some, paintings on the wall. This is a TV. I don't know how to use this. On. Oh, okay. Okay, direct TV. Look at that. This, I guess this is maybe solar powered. I'm not quite sure, but we do have different channels in here. It's a smart TV. Here's the view. This is facing downtown Albuquerque. We can see downtown over there, and we kind of see the mountains in the background. And this is where all the airport hotels are. The airport's 4 minutes away. So yeah, one lamp. I have no idea how to turn this lamp on. I really don't. Couldn't figure it out. It's plugged in. I don't know what to do. Anyway, we'll start with this room first. We have French doors. This room, 2-bedroom, 2 queen, 1 king bed. 4 beds total, including the sofa bed. It can sleep 2, 4, 6, 8 people. How great is that? We have a dresser here, not originally here in the room. I'm guessing just by the look of it, but they added it in the renovation. Yeah, so it's definitely a solar-powered or light-powered remote, rechargeable. That's why it's left like this. You've got Netflix in it. Samsung new, the plastic is still on the TVs. We have a lamp here, phone, desk for whoever is in this room. We got the 2 beds here. We have outlets here. I believe the light switch has to be on. Yep, that has to be on. Clock, dresser. This is the bathroom. This is a 2-bed, 2-bathroom. Ooh, bright. It's perfect though. Clean sink. That's real. Closet number 1. You have a laundry bag. A lot of space. Iron. Got the classic sliding door that everyone loved in the 80s, 70s, and 90s. Bathroom, Dove amenities, towel. You can take a look. Where's the light switch? I don't know where the light switch is. It's back there. I'm not going for it. Here's the bathroom. Pretty nice room. If this was a normal hotel room, but it's not. we have an additional room here. Can shut these off now. And here we are in the master bedroom, bedroom number 1. Best for last. So AC is on. 1 king bed, sleeps 2 or 3. It's a king bed. Full-size mirror, TV again, dresser with you can put your bag on top. You have a chair. I guess the view's the same, it wouldn't change. We have a lamp here with a clock. And since it's IHG, it's going to have the signature IHG different type of pillows. This one's soft. This one's firm. So I'm sure there's one of each. TV remote, solar powered. Bathroom here, same thing. This light wasn't on when this light was on when I got in. We have Dove amenities, body lotion, hand wash, shower. Same deal here. Dove amenities, some stuff. Some perks of the hotel, you do have free laundry. There is a 24-hour free laundry, another iron, sofa bed stuff. You have, there's no hangers in here though, interesting. I'm sure there's somewhere else. Shut that off. Free laundry, pool, hot tub, breakfast, free breakfast every day, as well as free dinner and beer, or free dinner and like manager's reception tile from 5:30 to 7, Tuesday through Thursday. Their social hour, that's what they call it. And yeah, so let me know what you think. Thanks for watching.